you scared of solving equations that contain multiple mathematical operations? Not anymore. We are back with another interesting concept you are all probably familiar with, BODMAS. Welcome to the 6th episode of MTG's Basic Math Simplified series. Let's start. BODMAS is an acronym for bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This sequence of operations is followed in mathematical calculations to get the right answer. Let us understand this concept using an example. So let's begin the process. So first of all, if you see, here is the bracket part. As per the formula BODMAS, we solve the B part, bracket part. So what comes here? 2 So the step 1 is complete. Into the next part, we have to solve this one. As the formula says, after bracket we have to move to order. So here it comes to 8 plus 2 minus 16 plus 4 into 3 plus 1. So step 3 includes division part. So if you see here, we need to divide it here. So it will come to 8 plus 4 into 3 plus 1. So 8, 2 minus 8. Now we come to multiplication part. So if you see here, we need to multiply here. Next part we have to do addition. So let's do it. So 8 plus 2 10 plus 12 22 plus 1 23. So it comes down to 23 minus 8. So in the next part we have to do subtraction. Okay. So 23 minus 8 equals to 15. So here's the answer. In the end, we have got 3 additional tips for you. Tip number 1. If there are multiple operators within a bracket, then evaluate expressions within brackets first. Tip number 2. If there are different types of brackets in an equation, then the order of solving the brackets should be parenthesis, curly bracket and square bracket. Tip number 3. Always perform division, multiplication from left to right. So I hope you learned something new. Do like this video and don't forget to share it with the people you think need to learn this trick. Subscribe to MTG channel to learn more amazing and simple tricks from this series. I will see you soon. Thank you.